Solve x squared minus 3x equals 18 using factoring. So atong i-solve ni siya using factoring. So before na to siya i-solve, ato usang i-change usa ang x squared minus 3x equals 18 to standard form. So ato running i-transpose ang 18 sa left. So it becomes x squared. Sa x squared minus 3x. Then may mo siyang minus 18 equals 0. So after that, ato na ni siyang ma-factor or ma-solve ang value sa x using factoring. So I'll teach you one method in which, although medyo taas-taas siya, but it will help you to visualize, no, o unsaon nimo siya pag factor. So we're going to use what we call the X-box method. So ang X-box method is literally mogamit ta sa X o sa box nga diagram. So first we're going to use the X. Then I'll teach you how to do this. So sa X, we're going to obtain the top, the bottom, and the left and the right. So kung usa may atong ibutang diri sa babaw sa X. So kaning babaw sa X, we're going to multiply the coefficient of the first term and the constant. So ang coefficient sa first term is 1, then times the constant which is negative 18. So dala dyan ng minus, so may mo siyang negative 18. So 1 times negative 18, so that is negative 18. So kanang negative 18 mo na siyang silbi na tong product. Then ang ubos, we're going to obtain the middle term which is negative 3, kanang coefficient sa middle term. So that is negative 3, which is the sum. Okay, so ang sao man na to pag pangita sa left and sa right side sa X. So we're going to write product equals negative 18. So gikan siya diri sa top, no? So again, ang product, that is the coefficient na 1 times the constant which is negative 18. Then ang sum nasa sa middle term. So sum equals negative 3. So after that, we're going to factor the negative 18. So ang negative 18, so that is negative 1 times 18 na ay 1 times negative 18 na ay negative 6 times 3 na apoy 6 times negative 3, then naapot tay 9 times negative 2, then negative 9 times 2. Mo na siya mga possible factors. Pag common, ato na siyang i-pang-add. So may mo siyang negative 1 plus 18. This one 1 plus negative 18. This one may mo siyang negative 6 plus 3. This one 6 plus negative 3. Kani may mong 9 plus negative 2. This one negative 9 plus 2. So ato na siyang tagsa-tagsaon og add factor una, then ang tanang mga factors ato na siyang i-add until such time nga dapat, or until such time nga ang sum makita na to nga ang sum is negative 3. So negative 1 plus 18, that is 17. So 1 plus negative 18, that is negative 17. Negative 6 plus 3, that is negative 3. 6 plus negative 3, that is 3. 9 plus negative 2, that is 7. Negative 9 plus 2, that is negative 7. So, mo ni siya ang atong gipangita nga numbers, negative 6 og 3. So, negative 6 times 3 equals negative 18. Then, negative 6 plus 3 is negative 3. So, these are the two numbers that we're looking for. So, that is negative 6 og 3. So, ito nang encirclean. After that, na-obtain na nato ang mga values, the four corners of the X. So we're going to draw box. So box. Ako na to damay. Okay. Okay. So, ang first term, so atong isuwat sa balik no, ang equation niya, x squared minus 3x minus 18 equals 0. So, ang first term niya is x squared. So, aray na tagbutang sa first box. Ang fourth box, ang kaning constant which is negative 18. So, kaning negative 6 and 3 sa second and third. So, pwede rin na siya magka-interchange, okay? So, ari ang negative 6 og 3. So, butangan na to nag-x. Yes, tangan na siya. Muna na siya. So, ang negative 6x og 3x, so i-add mo na siya, that is negative 3x. So, kani first term, kaning duha represents the middle term, negative 18 represents the last term. So, we're going to factor these 4 boxes. I-factor ang x squared, i-factor ang negative 6x, i-factor ang 3x, o i-multiply na to ang duha to verify kung ang gawas ba na is negative 18. So, ang factor sa x squared is x and x. So, dili dapita ang factor. Ang factor sa negative 6x is this one and this. So, nanay factor negative 6x, in which here, mo ni, kuwang lang ta dire. So, i-divide na nimo, that is negative 6. So, minus 6 ya. Pagka man, ang 3x, factor niya dire, missing here. So, i-divide, so 3. So, plus 3, kay positive man. Then, we're going to multiply, verify, negative 6 times 3, that is negative 18. So, therefore, ang factor niya is x minus 6 times x plus 3 equals 0. Then, we're going to find the value of x. So, split into 2. So, x minus 6 equals 0. Then, x plus 3 equals 0. Then, transpose. So, first is x equals 6. Then, the second one is x. I-transpose na siya. Equals negative 3. So, you have two values of x. X equals 6 and x equals negative 3.